It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you a case for my iPhone 13 Pro Max that I absolutely love. And I think it's pretty obvious why I love it. Number one, it's Disney. So it has this super cute Minnie Mouse design on it and like a gold foil design. Secondly, I love the color of this case. It's like a mother of pearl iridescent with tons of sparkle. I mean, you can really see it, especially with the sun. Thirdly, I love the fact that it adds protection. So not only do you have this case that wraps around all the way and has a little bit extra to protect that screen, you have great protection on your camera as well. So if you look close enough, you can see that that case actually covers in between those lenses, giving full coverage, but exposing the camera for photos. Another thing I like is the fact that it's got this little handle here. So imagine you're at an amusement park like Disneyland and you're taking video on a ride. This helps you have a little bit more security. Now, lastly, I love this little option here. So if you have your purse out and you want to secure it, you can easily clip it to like your purse strap and give you that extra stability. You won't lose your phone. You guys, I love this case so much. If you're thinking about it, think no more, just buy it. That's my point of view.